Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a game-changing innovation in the world of email management. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to GabrielAI, the cutting-edge email automation tool that will transform the way you interact with your inbox. Whether it's sorting emails based on specific topics, detecting emotions in the content, or identifying key information from senders, GabrielAI does it all with unparalleled accuracy and speed. How to use GabrielAI? You just need to set your contest as shown in the screen, and by that, I mean give it the informations needed about the topic you want to filter, and then update your filters. If whatever in this box happens, then do action, which is draft email answer, and then draft email following instructions. This is an example of how it works. Let's say you get an email from a customer asking for help on a task or asking a repetitive question. In this case, GabrielAI will do all the work for you after you set up your filters. Now you just relax and watch. And just like that, your email has been drafted professionally in the matter of seconds. And the best part is, you're still in control because you can always check on it before sending. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple projects, a small business owner looking to streamline your email workflow, or simply someone who values efficiency and organization, GabrielAI is the future of email automation that you've been waiting for. What sets GabrielAI apart from the competition? Unlike traditional tools that rely solely on single words to analyze and filter emails, GabrielAI takes it a step further. It dives deep into the realms of topics, emotions, and well-known facts to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience. Join the countless individuals who have already embraced the future of email management with GabrielAI. It's time to take control of your inbox and unlock the power of intelligent email automation.